Check that out. That's the Zhuhai Mall. So you have this big giant fountain right here. People kind of walking all about. And you got all the skyscrapers in the background. Let's take a look at this. Go back this way. Scan it slowly because it's dark out and it doesn't always come out that good. And then you got all these other lights over here too. A lot of stuff to explore and check out in Zhuhai. But this whole video is dedicated to this whole spot right here. Zhuhai Mall. So this is kind of cool. We're in the Zhuhai Mall and they're kind of performing something here. So we'll see what they're going to do. And I'm just kind of walking around, so we're going to also kind of give a little bit of a look. It's a little bit late. It's Saturday evening, about 6 p.m. So we're going to take a look and see. And I got a performance coming up too. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so we're in Zhuhai. We're at the mall. Got all these lights. We got a fountain show. We got all these other businesses all the way around. Got people everywhere. We got water that's splashing everybody, but they're all yelling and screaming. And there's the sign of the mall as well. So quite an experience. And we're gonna go inside the Zhuhai Mall. Yeah, I gotta explore a lot more of this city. COVID, I couldn't get out of Macau for 3 years. Okay, let's check it out. We're gonna start from inside. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna kind of try to highlight exactly what's around here a little bit, and we're gonna walk this way briefly. And I'm just gonna show you this real quick. So there's kind of an outdoors hut. There's people that are kind of hanging out up front as well. And we have some kind of performance that's going to take place right here. Kind of cool. I haven't spent much time in Zhuhai, so this is actually my first time. I've been in Macau for 10 years, but I haven't. I'm just going to go down. It looks like they kind of have this outdoor, indoor stuff, so I'm going to be just kind of shooting, getting some impressions of it, walking around first, and then I'm going to highlight some specific stuff. Looks so cool. Dr. Phone Up. There's a lot to explore over here. I got to get over here more often. But yeah, there's I don't think I'm just going to give you a little bit of a taste today. And I'm going to come over again another time. Red Sox, Boston. But yeah, I'm just kind of giving a little bit of a tip of it. A little bit of a taste. And I get the performance right there that's getting ready. And then over here is an entrance. And it's nighttime. But it kind of goes in and out with the open air, which is pretty cool. You can actually park right here. It's crazy. And there's some booths up there too. I think I saw some videos. There's a mountain in the background as well. Wow. And this is kind of cool. Toy Story. It's like a whole little vehicle set up. Got all these buildings, tall buildings in the background like that as well. And we got a performance here. It's pretty cool. Looks pretty interesting. All the people kind of hanging out up front there as well. So we're exploring more. You can still hear that in the background, and yeah, it's a really beautiful mall. It's kind of indoor, outdoor, so you have the open space. And I wonder what that's like when it's raining, like to film in here at that time as well, because I bet it would be kind of interesting. Just yeah, it's really cool. It's actually one of the most interesting malls I've seen, because it's kind of indoor, outdoor, and then you have this all these kind of spaces up here. The architecture is really interesting, and that goes outside again over there. Pacific Wings is over there, and then we have this little space here. With a truck, with a Volkswagen truck. And this looks kind of interesting too, because this is a Thai restaurant right here. And we got a lot more stuff over here as well. So let's see what else we got here. Want to add anything for the camera? What do you think about this place?
They have my sense of style.
Yeah, your sense of style, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, they do have a lot of stuff that's different than Macau. Calvin Klein's?
Yeah.
Calvin Klein's jeans. We got a lot of you got H&M over here, which is closed in Macau. They closed it during COVID. I think it didn't make any more revenue, but over here it's a lot lower rents, and a lot of people from Macau come over here anyways and shop. Looks like we also got some food places, stuff for kids.
我觉得很精彩，等我们没看过瘾，很好吃，就是在这个。
This kind of keeps on going too. We're not even. I'm definitely have to come over and explore more of Zhuhai. This is something that I haven't been to yet, and I've been in Macau for 10 years. Love the H&M. I kind of want to go in there. Flip the camera around. And that's my daughter. Oh, there's Uniqlo as well. So we're gonna bust through this gate. It looks like, I think that part looks like the outdoor part, and then because I can feel the humidity as well. And I think when we get in here, This is all going to be enclosed and indoor. And we got even more stuff in here. I think this mall is huge.
This mall is huge.
Got long lines over here. I'll have to come over and explore more. There's a lot in Zhuhai that I don't know. I should know. And I guess what we're gonna do is just come right into the middle part and we'll see how far down we can go on both sides. And then most likely we'll probably end the video. So this is kind of see. So it looks like we're basically, I think we came out to the other side. So I think what we're gonna do is this kind of, they got a Starbucks over there. I think we kind of came out. Is there more down there?
This mall is like humongous because we haven't even looked upstairs or downstairs.
That's true. Yeah. So true. So I'm gonna turn off the camera. I'm just gonna walk around and explore without the camera for a while. There's a Starbucks. Okay, so they got a lot of places. They got Taste in here. They got grills. They got cinemas. They got Watsons. They kind of got pretty much everything you can possibly imagine. And it looks like there's, I don't know how many floors. We'll find out. There's Toys R Us as well. All kinds of stuff.
There's Adidas Kids.
And there's even more. I think the ending goes all the way down there. Pretty cool fashion, right?
Yes, I like
So we're going to do a little conclusion. So we have seen a little bit of the Zhuhai Mall, and I definitely am going to get over here and see more. It's a little bit late, so I was going to explore my first time in this mall, and then I'll come back again another day and film. But yeah, so this is the ending part. A little taste of the Zhuhai Mall, and we'll definitely show you more in the future.
Yeah.
And soon we're going to go into H&M.
Yeah. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Okay. So yeah, this is the mall in Zhuhai. So hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.